The West Coast, California, a golden coastline decorated by beautiful beaches and inhabited by amusing wildlife, and rough waves perfect for surf fanatics. I took a trip to San Diego and explored endless sightseeing options, from museums reminiscent of Spanish architecture, intricately landscaped gardens, to exciting nightlife. San Diego offers entertainment for all types of people. One of the places that impressed me was La Jolla, a seaside town north of San Diego, lined with rugged cliffs, palm trees, and diverse wildlife. La Jolla Cove is San Diego's largest sea lion colony. La Jolla is also home to an ecological marine reserve. You can spot species such as seals, sea lions, crabs, colorful fish, and even dolphins. I was surprised by how close you could get to them. At a popular swimming area, I even saw some people snorkeling very close to seals and dolphins. This is an ideal place for kayaking and snorkeling in the turquoise water. Not to mention, it's the perfect spot for a photo op. Another must-see attraction in San Diego is Balboa Park, an extensive historic park that offers beautifully decorated plazas, artisan street vendors, live music, green walking trails, museums, theaters, historic buildings, and lush gardens. I decided to visit the Japanese Friendship Garden with my grandparents and cousins, and they loved it. Here you can take a peaceful walk through the intricate trails and observe natural vegetation, koi fish ponds, statues, artwork, and a cool bonsai tree display. All in all, this was a great destination for families and singles alike. San Diego offers many day activities. You can take a bike ride to downtown or stop in Chula Vista for some ice cream. This is La Michoacana, a Mexican-style heladeria or ice cream shop. San Diego doesn't only offer daytime activities though. You can admire a gorgeous West Coast sunset. You can also spend a night out dancing in an active club or bar. I recommend Sevilla Nightclub, which is a restaurant that offers live music most nights. You can take a night stroll around the beautifully decorated Little Italy and even try some delicious Italian foods. So tell me in the comment section down below, do you want to visit San Diego? What intrigues you most about this beautiful city? Was it the historic plazas, the sandy beaches, the wildlife and amazing viewpoints, or the exciting nightlife? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and I wish you all the best. See you next time!